Hi everybody, this is Marshall here, and this is a video of this new True Living 12-inch oscillating desk fan. I bought this at Dollar General today. It's a good fan, but it's a cheap fan, but it works, it blows. Here's the back of the motor, and here's the oscillator, and here's the I'm trying to get this video as quickly as possible, so anyways, without further ado, here is low. Fan moves plenty of air. And here's edge. High. Start out with low speed oscillation. Low speed oscillation. Here's medium speed oscillation. High speed. Kind of noisy, but it moves some air. It moves plenty of air. Puts out a decent breeze. It's fairly decent, and there's off, and there's off. Anyways, this is the True Living oscillating desk fan review. It's a good fan, but but I want to thank you a lot. I want to thank you guys a lot for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you have one. See you next time.